In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check symbol financial metrics in Tradingview. First, head over to your web browser and visit Tradingview's website. It's a comprehensive platform that allows you to track all sorts of market data elegantly and efficiently. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top menu bar, where you'll find the option labeled Supercharts. By clicking this, you'll be able to access a wide array of detailed charting tools that Tradingview is renowned for. With the Supercharts interface now in front of you, look towards the right side of the screen. Here, you'll find an area dedicated to symbols. This section allows you to search for and select the specific symbol or ticker you want to explore, giving you the flexibility to analyze any market asset you're interested in. For today's demonstration, let's take Apple as an example. Simply type AAPL into the search box, and the relevant chart data will immediately populate the screen. Now, let's delve into the financial data of this symbol. Above the chart, there's a tab labeled Financials. Clicking on this will open up a comprehensive view of Apple's financial performance. It's a treasure trove of information that can aid in making informed investment decisions. Situated neatly within the financial section, you'll notice an Overview tab. This tab provides a snapshot of essential financial metrics, showing high-level data that can quickly inform you about the company's financial health. Next, to gain deeper insights, click on the Statements tab. This action will reveal detailed financial statements, offering a deeper dive into income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Such information is invaluable for conducting fundamental analysis. Moving along, you'll find another tab, Statistics. Clicking on this will give you access to a wide range of numbers and ratios. These include important metrics like PE ratios, market cap, and more, which are crucial when performing comparative analysis with other companies. Additionally, for investors interested in dividend-paying stocks, the Dividends tab is your next go-to. Here, you'll find dividend history and yield, providing insights into how much income you might expect from holding the stock. To explore profit metrics, navigate to the Earnings tab. This provides details on earnings per share and other profitability measures. Following this, the Revenue tab is essential for understanding the company's sales performance over time. It provides both historical and forward-looking data on sales figures. Lastly, return to the Overview tab whenever you need to reorient yourself or want a quick reference of the company's financial position. This method of navigating Tradingview's financial metrics is systematic and ensures you glean all necessary insights for your investment decisions. I hope this guide has clarified the process and you're now equipped to explore financial metrics confidently on Tradingview.